This one myth is wrecking people's shot at buying a home. Time to kill it. In this episode, we're busting one of the biggest misconceptions holding buyers back, something I've heard over and over that just isn't true anymore. We're talking real market facts, real client stories, and what actually matters when buying today. If you've been told you need perfect credit, 20% down, or that now's a bad time, this will change how you see the whole process. Let's break it down and clear the path forward. Let me talk about a myth that keeps way too many people stuck. You need perfect credit to buy a home. Well, it sounds right. Credit scores matter. The idea that you need a 750 credit score or above just isn't true. In fact, FHA loans allow you to buy with a score as low as 580. In some cases, even a little lower with strong compensating factors like solid income or extra cash reserves. Let's break it down. So FHA, minimum score 580 with 3.5% down. VA, no official minimum, but many lenders approve around 620. Conventional starts at 620 to 640 for most options and gets better the higher the score is. So yes, higher credit helps, but you'll get better rates and lower costs. But not having perfect credit, that doesn't take you out of the game. Let me give you a real example. I worked with a client last year who had a 602 credit score. They assumed they had to wait another year to buy, but when we ran the numbers and connected them with the right lender, they were pre-approved in days. FHA loan, 3.5% down, monthly payment totally manageable. That home they bought, it's already appreciated $15,000. They didn't wait, they didn't need perfect credit, they just needed a plan. Now here's the other side of the myth. People assume that if their credit isn't perfect, they'll be punished with sky-high interest rates or denied completely. But lenders look at your full profile, your job history, your down payment. Credit is just one piece, and we work with several lenders who can help with figuring out these pieces. And here's the real kicker. If you're renting right now, your landlord doesn't care about your credit score. But your mortgage, that's actually an investment that builds your future. Even if your rate is slightly higher, you're gaining equity and locking in stable payment instead of facing rent hikes every year. Credit can be improved over time, but home prices and rents, those are rising factors that make most people's credit scores. Credit can be improved over time, but home prices and rents, those are rising faster than most people's credit scores. So don't wait for perfect, because perfect never happens. Start where you are, what's possible, and take smart steps to improve along the way. If credit has been the reason you've held off on buying, it's time to get clarity. Let's take a look at your real numbers and talk with trusted lenders. Where your score is now and what loan options might be available and what is actually happening to take you to qualify. We'll walk through your credit profile, connect you with lenders who understand how to work with your lower scores, and build a step-by-step plan where you're ready now or need a few months of prep. Give us a call, 806-414-2750. We'll cut through the noise, look at your real options, and map out the next move that fits your timeline. You don't have to have perfect credit score. You just need a real plan, and we'll build it together.